with your pretty ass. Soon as you came in the door, I just wanna chill, got a suck for what's married to the money.
Now, girls, let's get into it. Let's get into it.
We be going up, watch up all the we just said it though, talking about your
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, can you subscribe and join this wonderful family? If you're not, thank you for watching my videos and being patient with me. I know I'm not being consistent. Yeah, so let's get into it. I want to place you guys somewhere here. I know we haven't talked for a minute, but I'll get to that later on. Today I want to do my hair. I studied my cornrows. They're a bit large because they're not meant to be seen. I'm going to use Italian curls number 230. This is how it looks like. So this is what I'm going to work with. One packet because I don't want it to look full. I'm trying the viral Ekra crochet. Then I went to buy some hair rollers. I think they're called that. I think, correct me if I'm wrong. Pink, definitely. I mean, like, if you're new here, most of our things are pink. I hope they're going to help. Yeah, they're called folding rollers. Yeah, so that's what I want to get into. Then I'm going to brush the ends with this to give it like a natural look. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Let me start. I did like half of my head are like lines in the back. I decided to use gray thread because my hair is black brown, not fully black, not fully brown. I don't know which color it is, but we noticed when you use black or brown, it camouflages. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but it gives like that's my hair, so it's easy for someone to cut if wanani for more from behind. So we decided like gray is okay, since like, why am I bending? Like gray is okay because it's visible when I'm taking out my hair, plus the thread won't be seen because it's like crochet type of hair. So I'm like, let's do it. So I studied my hair. I'm so happy because I was like, I don't know how to plait lines, so where am I starting? So I'm going to do this by myself. I don't know if I'm going to show you guys like step by step, but in case I put some clips, you guys will be able to see that, and I'll definitely show you the end result. Then tomorrow I'm going to make my nails. It's a house call. Thank God I'm not going to town. The hassle, nah, not for me. So yeah, we're going to talk later. Let me start now because it's like 2 p.m. and my hair needs to be done by the end of the day. Yeah, so bye. So far this is the progress. I'm not yet done with this area, but it's kind of giving. Though I'm going to like trim the bangs. Yep, thank you. New hair hood this. But I'm going to accentuate the curls to be a bit bigger, the front parts.
Hi guys, this is the following day. My camera kidogo is a bit dark, so I think you'll see it from this side. I was able to do my hair, but I slept in rollers. I don't know how it's gonna give. I'm so anxious, very anxious. So I'm not gonna do it right now, but ntazitoa when I'm going to get my nails done. Ama like later on when I take tea, because it's around 10 a.m. So I'm so happy of how zimetokea. Plus I think when you brush huku mbele and here, it makes it more fuller, and I love that. So yeah, I hope I'll record that. But anyway, that's the progress. And I was also exhausted yesterday. I couldn't even record because the lighting is poor, everything. So I was like, I'm just going to tell you guys vile kulienda, and trust and believe everything is good. So yeah, we'll talk later.